Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kokomo, local and long distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we strive to keep our rates affordable without compromising on the quality of our services. Get a free quote for long distance moving services for our movers. Our long distance moving services include the logistics of moving long distance are often convoluted. We'll also make sure that everything goes smoothly from beginning to end and during the moving process. We can supply the packing materials you need so you don't have to worry about a thing. We can get your clothes, books, furniture, as well as special items such as vintage objects or pianos in one piece. If you need to keep your belongings safe for a while, we also provide stellar storage service. A local move may seem simple enough to handle by yourself or with the help of a few friends, but you may soon discover that packing and transporting your belongings requires quite a lot of time and that you don't have everything you need. It is never a doubt that people want reliable services for the local moves. At 3 Movers, our affordable movers can help you with different local moving services such as packing, unpacking, storage, and special items moving. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kokomo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.